Despite a wingspan of almost 2.5 meters, this golden eagle hides its presence by hugging the mountain slopes, hoping to catch its prey off guard. The domains of this majestic bird of prey range from the highest peaks to the deepest valleys and cover a hunting territory of up to 100 square kilometers. This unrivaled predator feeds on a wide range of prey, including many species of birds and reptiles, but mostly it prefers mammals such as rabbits, hares and groundhogs. It will even hunt foxes, boars and deer. Over the 4 seasons, the golden eagle exploits the varied resources found through its terrain. In the mountains during the spring, young groundhog pups are a vital food source for its own brood. It hunts at low altitude, sticking close to the mountainside with its languid flight, then diving suddenly onto a potential prey. But groundhogs are extremely cautious animals and work together to stay on watch. A system of call signals warns of any danger. The warning spreads throughout the valley, causing a rush to the safety of the burrow, although there's always someone who's a little absent-minded. Hidden between the slopes, the eagle evades the vigilant eyes of its unsuspecting victim. This incautious groundhog can do nothing when confronted with the king of the skies.